All right, it's a beautiful Thursday afternoon. I'm going to try to attempt to start or fix or whatever this stupid forklift again, because it's a very exciting day. Our friend Kyle is here, Carter Auto Restyling, and he's picking up his prized 48 GMC. Say hi to the nice folks, Kyle, and try not to look super disappointed for 5 seconds here. Oh, he's failing. Okay, I'll edit that part out. You know, I put up a video.
This wasn't how it looked in the pictures when you said it.
Right. I did what those guys do on the Kijiji, and this is what it could look like.
Yeah.
I only put up the what it could look like pictures.
Yeah.
Running when parked.
That's comes with it.
I could actually use that for the body work.
Yeah.
Use that. That's filler. Yeah.
Yeah.
There you
I
go.
still think that strap needs to come with it.
Right. Okay, it's a deal. Whatever it takes to get this piece of shit, I mean treasure, out of my yard.
It's a survivor.
It's the survivor without the surviving part. Well, I'd almost trade you for fixing the forklift, honestly.
Yeah, I don't want any part of that.
I left my eye protection at home.
Yeah, that bullet hole wasn't there. Did you guys do that? You shot it, you bought it.
Yeah. That the used car dealers.
That never
Log it
happens
around
in
here.
Saskatchewan. That's got to be in Alberta.
No, that never happens,
Bullet
yeah.
holes in Saskatchewan.
None of this happens in Saskatchewan. Oh, the poor thing. I'll get Kyle to film that way. If it falls off, then we get
That'll be like
we get more views.
million views right there. I just don't know how long that muffler's gonna hold out before.
Literally holding it up with the muffler. Yeah, but if that collapses, it just sits on the frame anyway.
Well, exactly.
Midas has got a lifetime guarantee.
We got lifetime on that baby. Nothing to worry about.
Oh, this one ain't gonna go, Kyle, I'll bet. Not with this little wrench.
Place your bets now as to whether this is gonna fall off the forks. You're tight there. Oh yeah, you got it.
I don't think you want to go down there.
No, I'm actually mildly surprised it's still on there.
Yeah, that was a little hit and miss there.
Why does it seem like the back's heavier than the front?
It's probably all that debris back there, all those artifacts.
I think because they seem heavier than the engine. I guess it's doing whatever it's doing. I mean, whatever. This is the good side anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
Get some
This is
shots
the money
of it.
shot. This makes me look like I'm not completely insane for taking this whole thing.
Look at I can see you just want to fix this big thing here.
Yeah, I know, it's just bothering me. Just wants to come out.
Yeah, you have to pop that one before you leave.
Yeah.
Give us all a lesson.
Oh yeah.
This side's not bad.
Yeah.
I mean
if you stand way
back,
back and like don't look at it, it's fine. There.
Okay, well, actually, that's not a complete failure, I don't think.
No, you're pretty close.
Certainly easier than not having. Just getting a close-up of your sweet classic tires, Kyle.
Oh, good.
Just run it through the hole there, Kyle, for the.
Try to tighten it.
But wrap it around the pillar too, and then find something down.
Another beauty, Kyle. Transport 110, hey? That's cool.
Yeah.
Man, I'm jealous.
650, 16.
Yeah, nice 16s too.
Yeah.
16s are hard to find.
They are, yeah.
You got a matching pair of these?
Yeah.
Town and Countries?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Man, take my money.
Yeah, I was buying a truck and the guy had them and I asked if I wanted them and I said, I sure do.
That's great. Man, if we put some headlights in, you could just take it home and flip it the way it is.
Yeah.
Hey, well, maybe somebody make you an offer at a gas station on the way
There
home.
you go, yeah. Except they got unloaded then.
I watched your video where you're like, and some dipshit has dented the door.
Yeah.
And I'm like, wait till you see this one.
That's
That's
yeah,
worse than anyone you've ever
Yeah,
shown. That's worse than what
that,
you have.
That might be a little ambitious to fix.
Look at it's rolled the whole mess
Oh, yeah.
ahead. Just a shambles. So, can you just cut the 5-window part out of this and weld it to a different cab, or
Yeah.
mix and match
guess I
bits
should,
and pieces?
I think I'm gonna put two.
Or you're just being nice. You're just gonna dump the whole thing in a ditch as soon as it's like, well, we said we'd come and get it.
Yeah.
So.
Actually, I changed my mind. I don't
It'll
want
be
it
at the
anymore.
stop sign, eh?
Yeah.
I'll see it at the stop sign on the corner. Kyle! Okay, so we want to just kind of yard it back till it's almost touching those ramps, eh? And
Yeah.
then you
put
won't have so
half
much tongue weight. And that's going to be fun.
Yeah.
This is the first time I've actually used the tractor for anything.
Oh,
So let's see if that
give it a test run here. See how it does hauling garbage.
right.
A little jumpy. That's as far back as it'll go.
Oh, I think I scuffed your tail light.
Oh no. Oh, there's 2 taillights on there, so I got a spare.
Right. Oh, you let your dad know we're done. That actually works,
Yeah.
surprisingly. Hey, are you gonna put this on your channel, or are you just gonna dump it straight in the ditch on the way home?
I'm just dumping it in the driveway as soon as I pull out of here. I drove all this way and he told me this thing was mint and I get here and it's ruined. You can't fix this.
Well,
It's just too
yeah,
far
you
gone.
can't. Nobody believes you.
Yeah.
Watch the other shit you just finished. This is easy.
I'm gonna delete all my other videos and then
And then just complain about this truck.
yeah. I'm just gonna do it to thrash your channel. I'm gonna Coldwarmotors sold me the
Rip
worst
off.
vehicle ever.
Please make that your thumbnail.
Yeah.
Coldwarmotors ripped me off. This thing wasn't even worth zero. Well, you could probably scrap it and get a couple of $100 for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I might pay for the fuel and the dog.
Maybe you'd break even on the gas.
Yeah.
At least get us to Lloydminster anyway.
Yeah, that's right. Try and dump it in. If you dump it in Saskatchewan, nobody will look twice at it.
Well,
It'll just look
exactly.
like everybody else's place.
Equally
Right on.
sketchy.
Well, we look forward to seeing beautiful metal finished results here.
Yeah. Well, I'm not looking forward to it, but
Should be able to have that done by next week.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
we'll have it done.
Here, I'll
Friday
sell you this
after.
for your before video. There
Yeah.
you
Let's get all the gruesome.
go. Look at hey.
Details.
You gotta get her done, Kyle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry about your tail light.
Yeah.
That
If anybody has a taillight for one of these, send it my way.
Yeah. Let us know. Oh, I'd trade you the truck for the tires, but now you got them both.
Yeah.
So those are sweet. All right. The Sad Bastard Society is having a barbecue tonight, so I guess you're now all coming.
I don't even know what to say. Grips on the front,
We should be
I
driving.
love it, man. This is
Dean,
so sweet.
do you
Hey?
approve?
We should be driving back at
Paying
night.
good money to take this home.
What?
The enforcement's not-
Oh yeah, you need any farm implements? There's
Oh yeah, check. There's some goodies in
There's
there.
an archaeological.
Oh, the box.
Wow.
Yeah, you might want to take them now before they fall out on the ground on the way home.
Good job getting tires with air in it. Like it looks.
Yeah, those are my best. I spent like the whole afternoon yesterday
you
cleaning
got
them.
them all shined up for the show, eh?
Good. I think. Oh damn. So this
Those
is what
are
you're,
sweet.
So Kyle, this is what you're after. Hey, 6
Yeah.
old. Yeah, GM. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
like a
I'll-
dream come true for me.
Dream come.
Yeah. They say be careful what you wish for, because it
Yeah.
might just come true.
Yeah, it looks like it has, unfortunately.
Yeah.
That'll keep you busy for
Yeah.
eh?
Couple
I
weeks.
hope you're not busy.
Couple weeks.
Yeah. God, this is great.
First, we got to get it home and get it
Oh,
on the
hey, this
trailer.
guy had class. He put his turn signals down here instead of on the roof.
Oh, did you see the back? He's got quad set up back
No.
there.
Yeah, we
Really?
broke the tail light.
Oh, cool.
A couple of them may have got scuffed on the way.
Oh,
in there.
cool.
Yeah, he's got quads on it. Whoa.
Oh,
That's a treat.
wicked.
If I hadn't seen the shit he's already fixed, I would have
Yeah,
left it there.
Tell them about it.
I was,
Yeah,
I
don't
was
even tell them
like,
about it if you find another one. Yeah, they
You gotta
follow
have-
them home. They find them.
yeah, well, here's
Actually, I
another one.
can't. Let's open the door.
It looks like you got roped into this mission.
Close
That's all right. I wasn't doing anything. Anyway.
No,
It's,
no, it's very kind of
good.
you. Come help clean up my yard, Dave.
Yeah, I
That's
think so, yeah.
Trip to get out of town.
sure, right?
I don't know why you didn't drive it back, but
You could have. You and your dad could have easily made it.
Yeah, you
I was
guys.
gonna flat tow it behind a Malibu, but
Oh yeah.
yeah.
Well, I'm sad that you can only stay for one day. I thought you guys were coming out for a couple of days, because then we
well,
were
if you would
gonna.
have had it running, Scotty wouldn't have needed it.
I know, I'm what a dick, eh?
You're Mr. You
Dick
love
move.
Run.
Good find.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm glad you found this thing. Good job.
Oh yeah, no, we're making people's lives better. That's
Yeah, Kyle could have been in bed right now.
yeah. All right, thank you guys.
Could have had a real job. And,
Yeah, have fun with that, buddy.
Yeah, I will.
know.
I won't. But thanks for the well wishes either way.
You do it to yourself.
Yeah,
That's right. Yeah. I don't know. I seen the shit you work on. You're just
I
pretending you're
tend to
not
create
excited.
my own
You're
problems.
a
so-
sad soul.
Yeah, you're a sad bastard.
You're sad.
And it fell off. This is a regular contributor.
old shit.